right. Did a little cleanup. Got our new gaskets on both sides of our plate. Gotta clean up here a little bit still, but we got our mounting surfaces clean. We got our basically fuel-filled mess that was down there cleaned up. So there's our carb. Now we got some oil here as well we need to address. That usually ends up coming out of an intake manifold bolt because somebody didn't put sealant on it. So we can go ahead and do that. Talk to Luciano about doing that. Set our carb on here. And I think that's gonna basically wrap it up for today. All right, there's our new carb. Just sitting pretty. Looking good. We'll get all our little hardware and tighten it down and get a new fuel filter and everything for it. Much better. But we're ready. That part's done. Quick and easy. It's gonna be getting these valve covers cleaned up and get everything nice and tidy. That's gonna take a little while.